everybody? Evan here with Evan's Detailing and Polishing. I get a lot of people asking for what's an easier way instead of cutting and coloring. They want to simplify their process. I don't get this question a lot from polishers. I get this question from a lot of people that try to polish their own stuff. Not a lot of guys want to do the color stage. Not a lot of guys are looking for that showroom quality. Much like this dump truck here, a lot of people just want to get it back to shiny. So the only thing I have sitting in front of me here is an orange pad, brown compound, of course my respirator, because I still recommend a respirator even if you're only doing it yourself, safety first. And then I just put a hand polish on after. You can use your favorite hand polish. Mine of course is the stuff we developed, the Time2Shine aluminum polish. But I'm just going to give you a quick demo on how I would do a single step aluminum polish. All I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this wheel with an orange wheel and a brown compound, and then I'm just going to hit it with some hand polish and wipe it off. And for most of you guys out there, most people aren't going to see the difference and they're going to be happy with that, and they're not even going to have to color. So for those of you that are just looking for a quick shine and want to get it back to decent, check out this video because this is where it's at. Let's do it. Alright, so the cut stage is that simple, and if your wheels are in good shape, you can use a yellow and brown. Yellow and brown will still do the same thing, and it'll leave it a little less hashy. This wheel was a little rougher, so of course we used the orange with the brown. And now for the hand polish part. You can of course use your favorite hand polish. Of course, we developed our own polishes about 1.5 years ago now. It's called Time2Shine aluminum polish. It's our personal favorite here in the shop, but you should use what you will like to use. The polish that you want may not be what we sell. So if you like some of the other brands, use that, it'll work. Also, I like what we got. Put a little bit on a cotton terry applicator pad. And we're just gonna wipe it on. We're just taking off all the excess grease from the cutting. Oh. Ooh, she almost landed face down. That'd have been a disaster. There, you can see it. I'm human. Wipe it on. This one's getting a cover on it so we don't put it between the lug nuts. Cut in between there, but we don't need to hand polish in between there because there isn't a whole lot of excess. Wipe it until we're clean. There we go. Now we're going to take our terry towel, fold it into a square. I'm just going to wipe it dry. Super quick and easy way to get your wheels back on point without a whole ton of effort. This also works on tanks. But if you're looking to simplify the process and not do cut and color, this is where it's at. There we go, look at that. Wiping off dry, super easy. You can see that wheel's clearing right up. And this stuff, of course, comes off super easy. And I always just finish wipe in between the lugs, even though you didn't glue anything in there. There. Now if you compare this wheel to that wheel, go ahead and get on in close. You can see for a single stage cut and just a hand polish, it turned out great. And of course our Time2Shine aluminum polish has a ton of wax in it, so it's going to also help protect this wheel, same as your color does. It's a lot of the same compounds that are in the green color bar. It's in your hand polish. So if you're not looking for that perfection and just want to get your wheels back on point, this is the way to do it. Thanks for stopping by. If you're looking for this stuff or the buffs and compounds, go shineon.com/shop. Of course, click subscribe, follow all our stuff. I appreciate you guys. See you next time.